In protecting a facility's perimeter, two distinct challenges arise: selecting the appropriate detection sensor to address site requirements, and finding cost-effective, compatible solutions when site characteristics or security level call for the introduction of multiple sensor technologies. Combining 40 years of perimeter detection experience with the latest in integrated systems engineering, Southwest Microwave provides solutions for both of these challenges with our newest generation Intrepid intelligent sensors. Field-proven detection technologies made even smarter with single-platform simplicity. New generation Intrepid sensors offer enhanced features and unique detection capabilities to protect the highest security sites in harsh climatic extremes. And for unparalleled configuration and operating convenience, the Intrepid system employs a common communications protocol, universal setup software and system controllers, integrated I/O modules, and a broad input voltage range. With Intrepid synergistic sensor technologies, high-performance perimeter protection meets true systems convergence, allowing the deployment of any combination of fence, buried cable, or digital microwave solutions on one network platform to protect each portion of the perimeter with an optimal sensor for that location. MicroPoint 2 for perimeter fence detection, MicroTrack 2 where covert protection is in order, and Microwave 330 for open areas at gates or entryways and for rooftop or wall applications. New generation Intrepid sensors are seamlessly networked via standard RS-422 serial data interface using a common open architecture communications protocol. Network architecture guarantees alarm delivery time and can be structured in a variety of configurations to best address network size and alarm delivery requirements. A third-party SDK is available to integrate new generation Intrepid sensors into custom control applications. 4 additional Intrepid system control options offer scalable security management solutions for virtually any site parameters, with capabilities ranging from local relay control to multi-language graphic mapping tools, centralized multi-site management, and high-level CCTV interface. Alarm input modules allow the incorporation of auxiliary devices, such as Southwest Microwave's conventional sensors. If high-level interface is not available, relay output modules can provide simple interface to CCTV, alarm panels, or perimeter lighting. Universal Installation Service software configures each Intrepid device with laptop convenience. User-friendly features, including sensor auto-discovery, guided navigation, and forward propagation, simplify setup and calibration. Assigning detection zones is equally simple. The System Control Module auto-discovers networked alarm inputs and confirms proper configuration. Each input is then associated with a perimeter segment or zone of the desired length. For added flexibility, multiple sensor technologies can be assigned to a single zone. When an intrusion attempt occurs, alarm data is communicated to the controller and its location is displayed on a graphic site map. Zones may also be associated with specific outputs, such as camera presets, so that when the perimeter is breached, precise visual assessment is achieved. Finally, seamless, flexible perimeter security solutions without the high cost or complication traditionally associated with integrating multiple technologies. Intrepid, smarter perimeter detection systems. To learn more, visit www.southwestmicrowave.com.